Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts please try again later error on Telegram in iPhone and Android platform. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let me explain the reason of this error. When we try to log in Telegram account many times for getting a code, this will appear. Now what we have to do, simply we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage. Here we have to find and tap on Telegram and tap offload app, then tap offload app again, and in Android platform you have to clear cache in app management. After that we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and launch settings again. Tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. After doing this process, iPhone will be restart and we have to launch App Store and search for Telegram. Here we have to tap cloud icon to get back the Telegram in your device. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then what we have to do, tap and hold the Telegram and remove the app. After removing the app, we have to force restart your device, your iPhone, by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, we have to go back to App Store and completely re-download the Telegram. After doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.